What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you some chords, how they're made up, what strings are used to make them up. Now, by no means is this a complete tutorial on all the chord shapes and how you make them up. It's just the basic fundamentals. We're not talking power chords. It's just going to be open and full chords. The first chord we're going to take a look at is the A chord. We're going to start here, 2nd fret. And this chord can be made simply by fretting the 4th string 2nd fret, strumming through the open 5th and 4th string, or barring the 3rd and 4th string on that 2nd fret, strumming through that open 5th, 4th and 3rd string. The next chord is an open E, where you fret the 5th string 2nd fret and strum through the open 6th and 5th string. Two very popular chords with AC/DC. Now, a full E chord will come over to the 3rd string fretted on the 3rd fret, or the 1st fret, the 4th string fretted on the 2nd fret, and the 5th string also fretted on the 2nd fret. We're going to strum through 5 to 1. It's your E chord. D chord, we're going to come over here, 2nd, 3rd fret. We're going to fret the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then we're going to strum through the open 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, or 4th, 3rd, and 2nd and 1st string. Another way to make this chord is just fretting that 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, strumming through the open 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. And then you can also incorporate the open 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. Another thing AC/DC likes to do. From there, we're going to take a look at a G chord, where you're going to fret the 1st string 3rd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, 5th string will be fretted on the 2nd fret, and the 6th string will be fretted on the 3rd fret, strum through all 6 strings. That's your full G. It's a little harsh. Another way to play that is just fret the 1st string 3rd fret, 2nd string 3rd fret, and 6th string 3rd fret, muting out that 5th string, and strum through all 6 strings. Can also fret the 2nd string 3rd fret, muting out the 1st string, and then fret the 6th string 3rd fret, muting out the 5th string, and then strum through all 6 strings. And that way is an AC/DC way to play that. A Cadd9, which is seen a lot in Bryan Adams and AC/DC, is fretting that 2nd string 3rd fret, muting out the 1st, and then fretting the 5th string on that 3rd fret, muting out the 4th, and then strumming 5 to 2. For our C chord, we're going to come over, we're going to fret the 2nd string 1st fret, and then the 4th string 2nd fret, and 5th string on the 3rd fret. Strum through 5 to 1. We come to our F chord. Our full F chord will be barring strings 1 and 2 on that 1st fret, fretting the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and then we're going to fret the 4th string 3rd fret and 5th string 3rd fret, and we're going to strum through 5 to 1. It's a little harsh. I don't really like that one. Another way to do it is bar strings 1 and 2 on the 1st fret, fret the 4th string 3rd fret, muting out the 3rd string, and then fret the 5th string on the 3rd fret, strum 5 to 1. Now, keeping that position, you can make a barred F chord by simply taking your thumb and fretting that 6th string on that 1st fret and then strumming through all 6 strings. A little heavier, and it's easier to do that, which Jimmy Page and a lot of other artists do, instead of making the dreaded barred F chord where you take your index finger and lay it across all 6 strings, pushing down on them, and then fretting the 3rd string 2nd fret, 4th string 3rd fret, and 5th string 3rd fret, which is a very difficult thing to do. And I still can't get that right. So it's just some basic chords that you're going to run into.